Earphones are still one of the most preferred audio accessories thanks to low pricing and good sound quality. There are lots of earphones to choose from, and at such a low price, there are first copy brands that you might end up buying. So we are compiling a list of best earphones under 500 that belongs to original brand, and you can buy them without giving any second thought. All the earphones have an impeccable sound quality and robust build, which makes them ideal. So guys, this is Sulaiman Khan, and without any further ado, let's get started. So the first one in our list is Boat Bass Heads 152. Starting our list with Boat Bass Heads that has a comfortable angled earpiece design and thumping sound quality. The earpiece is made up of metal that gives it a sturdy feel. The wires of the earphones also feel strong, but careful handling is still required. Earphones are equipped with a 10mm driver that produces crystal clear and bass-rich sound. You also get an inline microphone to control your audio tracks and calls. Overall, the earphones have an impressive design alongside strong sound drivers that makes it one of the best earphones under 500. So the second one in our list is Realme Earbuds. Realme is a popular smartphone brand that has been producing performance-oriented smartphones. The company also seems promising in the audio accessory segment. Realme Earbuds is a well-designed earphone coupled with amazing sound quality. The earphones are made up of metal, which makes it durable, while the magnetic mechanism gives you a tangle-free experience. The ear tips are soft and fit perfectly in the ear canal. Realme earphones are also performance-centric as it offers you 11mm sound driver which produces clean vocals. The audio works well at all the mids and high. The earphones also contain an inline mic that can assist you in all your tasks. Realme is a reliable brand, that is why we have included Realme Earbuds in our list of best earphones under 500. So the third earphones in our list is Mi Earphone Basic. Mi Earphone Basic is my personal favorite of the list as I have been using it for almost a year now. The earphones have been subtly designed keeping in mind the comfort of users. The angled earpieces along with soft silicone ear tips perfectly fit in the ears. For the best audio experience, the earphones have been fitted with a 10mm neodymium driver. If you are using a Mi device, then you can also listen to music in different inbuilt audio modes, which makes listening to songs a great experience. The mic of the earphones also works very well, and you can easily use it to take HD quality calls. Mic buttons are responsive and you can use them to manage calls and tracks. With so much to offer, Mi Basic earphones are undoubtedly one of the best earphones under 500. So the fourth one in our list is Audio Technica ATH. Audio Technica ATH is a robust build and ergonomically designed earphones that are soothing to the eyes. The earpiece is made up of plastic material, makes it light. Ear tips of the earphones are made up of silicone material that helps you to carry them for long hours without any skin irritation. The earphones include an 8.5mm driver that can produce precise sound on mid and highs. Thanks to high acoustic resolution technology, you will not hear any distortion in sound quality while listening to music at the peak volume levels. The sound quality of the earphones is good, and you can spend your money on this earphone without a doubt. This earphone can be a very good choice if you want a budget-friendly and best earphones under 500. So next up we have Infinity Zip 100. Infinity is a decent brand that keeps introducing quality audio accessories, and Infinity Zip 100 is one of them. Infinity Zip 100 is an in-ear style earphones that can be a smart buy for you if you are looking for the best earphones under 500. The build quality of the earphone is average, where the earpiece is made up of plastic while the wire is delicate, which needs utmost care. You get a 9mm driver in this earphone that gives booming audio experience and has clean vocals. This can be a perfect choice for those who love to listen to EDM and hard rock music. The mic of the earphone also supports Google Assistant, which you can activate by pressing the mic thrice. So at last we have a bonus earphone for you, which is JBL C5 OHI. JBL, without a doubt, our favorite brand and our first choice in terms of audio accessory. This JBL piece of earphone is none less than the best, and that is why it has earned a spot on our list of best earphones under 500 segments. JBL is known for its signature sound, which it offers in this earphone. You get an 8.6 mm driver that has JBL's signature bass-rich sound and produces loud audio with clarity. Minor distortion may take place if you are notching up the volume level, but that is negligible. The earpiece is made up of plastic material which can cause skin problems if you wore them for long, while the cable is also delicate, which needs to be handled carefully. You get one control button embedded in the mic that can help you to manage all the stuff. So guys, these are the best earphones under 500 which you can buy right now. Which of the above mentioned earphones you like the most, and if you think we have missed any, please do let us know in the comments down below. And yes, for more future updates, please do considering liking, subscribing and sharing our channel. Thank you so much.